Hey, Prashant, how are you, man? Long time.
Fine, boss. I never thought I'd see you here.
Yeah, just came for some banking. By the way, where you leaving to? Stay for some time. Let's leave together.
Oh no, I'm never stepping into this bank again.
Wow, that is strong. All okay, man?
Nothing is okay, Arun. Nothing is fine. I can't begin to describe my sorry state.
That bad? What happened in the first place?
I need some fresh air, man. Not here. Let's go out.
Sure, come.
I received a payment check from a client and deposited it in my account 4 months ago. Till date, I haven't received the money in my account. I even lodged a complaint and nothing has been done yet. Even the online banking is not helping.
And this is the reason why you're so worried?
Of course, won't you be? If your bank gives you a problem, where does one go? Tell me. It's the end, man.
No, not in my case, neither in yours.
Huh?
Really, do you remember, Prashant, how I was late in paying our GRE fees?
Yeah.
It was not just a payment delay. It has a story to itself. My bank was of no help. Repeated complaints fell into deaf ears. Those were very difficult times. I was heading nowhere, and my banking problem almost ended all my dreams. Insult and humiliation added to the injury. However, later that evening, when I was searching online for help, I came across an interesting source, which was the Ombudsman. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed the Ombudsman to redress customer complaints against certain deficiency in banking services. The Banking Ombudsman scheme enables resolution of complaints of bank customers relating to certain services rendered by banks. The Banking Ombudsman is a person appointed by the RBI to redress customer complaints against certain deficiency in banking services. The Banking Ombudsman can receive and consider any complaints relating to the following deficiency in banking services: non-payment or delay in payment of inward remittances, non-adherence to prescribed working hours, refusal to open deposit accounts without any valid reason are some of the issues that can be dealt by the Ombudsman. One can file his complaint before the Banking Ombudsman if the reply is not received from the bank within a period of 1 month. A complainant can file a complaint with the Banking Ombudsman simply by writing on a plain paper. He can also file it online or by sending an email to the Banking Ombudsman. The Banking Ombudsman does not charge any fee for resolving customers' complaints. The complaint should have the name and address of the complainant, the name and address of the branch or office of the bank against which the complaint is made. The Banking Ombudsman endeavors to promote through conciliation or mediation a settlement of the complaint by agreement between the complaint and the bank named in the complaint. It definitely was an enlightening search. I filed my complaint, my issues got resolved.
I really hope this works in my case too.
It sure will. The Ombudsman is the new best banking friend. It's time for comfortable banking.
You mean no reservations in reaching out to the Reserve Bank of India?
No,